Hello, you know, when you see the pizza box, we've got an unboxing of the monthly journaling subscription box, and the boxes are a collaboration between Secretary and Goeters uit my Hart. So let's have a look. The boxes this month also included a little handwritten postcard because we really do appreciate our customers, especially in the current financial climate that we find ourselves in. It's a luxury to be able to spoil yourself with a box, even though the box is very well priced. It's still something we appreciate. The inventory is here, and there's some trivia on both myself and Desiree from Goeters, and who supplied what, because we've had some questions from subscribers saying whose items are whose, so you can test yourself. And this is wrapped in like a big sheet of this parchment. And then all the goodies are inside. I'm going to move that to one side. And then we can start. Let me follow the inventory. So we start with, this is an embossed lunch bag. It's got butterflies. And then inside there's 3 sheets of clear stickers. These stickers work very well in specimen cards. So different colorways. There were blues, purples, pinks, and sort of creamy yellows, and different sizes, basically big, medium, and small. So that's the first item. The next one is sort of a waxed paper look envelope. It's got a novelty paper clip, and it's got all sorts of tickets. These are perforated sheets, and then there's a selection of the paper, slightly textured, and I think they will do good as they're vintage pages and tickets, strips, background things. So that will look good for collage and for corner embellishments and things. And that's about 20 pieces in there. And then there's a bill envelope with some embossing again and some of the vintage office stamps. This is a really nice item, even if I have to say so myself. Some original ephemera and South African ephemera, which isn't so commonly available. These are from 1952, the one, and 54, the other one. And they're check blanks, and they've got revenue stamps. Got some stamping and signing at the back, some of them, embossing, and this one also, it's been signed, some perforations, and nice. I mean, to scan bits and pieces of this and reuse it would be so good, and that's from Barclays Bank. And these checks are quite big. Let's have a look at the size. This one's almost 20 by 10 centimeters, and this one 8 by 20 again. So that was a really, really nice item, and it's also something you can scan and reuse again. So we really do try and give a mix of new, vintage, handmade, and then got some French magazine pages, and these are from, the magazine was marked, some of them 1906, 1907, 1908, 1909, so pre-1910, so really antique, really, not vintage. They were meant to be torn into their A4 pages, I guess, and filed, but lucky we found the big sheets. So it is, let's see how big these sheets actually are. What is this? 50, make it 55 by about 45. So really lovely big sheet. And the pictures are all different, but it's got the lovely, like almost letterpress printing and engravings. The paper's lovely to feel, nice and soft. It's not brittle at all. So you can cut those, you can use them as background pages, lots of images. So that was a really nice find. And then each of them has a little, also again, different little French brochures that came. So you can see there's one of the dates. And these are original. This is not a printed ephemera piece. And that's fastened with a little French color ribbon. Some of them, some red and some blue. And a little pin. Then we've got a beautiful tag. It's a large tag. This is 15 centimeters. And it's got a little tab pull out, like an insert. And then, so that's a window, and it's got an index card at the back. So that can go in a pocket. Right at the back of the index card, an eyelet, and then the designs on the actual tag are all different. We've got a set of embossed pockets, craft pockets. So there's one with birds, one with text, one with swirls, one with clocks, and one with polka dots, and they expand. So those are very nice pockets. They are 9 by 14 centimeters. And then that brings us to the next item, which is like a little a junk journal booklet, tear sheet almost. And that tucks very nicely into one of these pockets. So you could also use it like that. Get it in there. Like that in the journal. Because the little, I think this is a wallpaper, handmade paper, tucks just over. So that would sit very nicely in the journal. So that's that. A cute little, it's a wooden ruler, little unicorn ruler. So that's quite handy just to have in your pencil case or on your desk. Because I can never find rulers and scissors. Ruler, scissors, pencil, always gone. And then we've got a card with a little ball pin dangle, some coloured thread, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all in the same colourway. And then the spools cut from packaging, so reusable. We are junk journalers, and specifically for us in these boxes, we really try and limit plastic packaging. We try and make packaging reusable. We try and not use unnecessary packaging, so also trying our bit there, because as paper crafters we do generate a lot of paper. So that is the February subscription box. The boxes are 240 Rand a month plus postage of your choice. Next boxes will be out somewhere towards the 20th of March. There's a public holiday there, 21st. So there may be some movement on the timeline there. But please let us know if you would like to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.